Oyedepo's deputies, Bishop Abioye, Aremu retires from Winners Chapel. In a significant development at one of Nigeria's most prominent religious institutions, two long-serving vice presidents of the Living Faith Church, widely known as Winners Chapel, are set to step down from their positions next week. According to reports by the Punch newspaper, Bishop David Abioye and Thomas Aremu will retire after serving for over 4 and 3 decades, respectively. This transition comes following a recent revision in the church's operational manual, the mandate, which lowered the retirement age from 60 to 55 years. Multiple sources within the church, including a pastor who spoke on condition of anonymity, have confirmed these departures. Bishop Abioye, currently 63, serves as the senior pastor of the Living Faith Church, Goshen City, Abuja. His journey with the ministry began in 1979 when he first met Bishop David Oyedepo, and by 1987 he was already leading one of the church's 5 pioneer branches. Bishop Thomas Aremu, 67 years of age, who transitioned from a successful accounting career to full-time ministry, was among 7 bishops consecrated in November 1999 at the Garden of Faith, Kaduna. According to Church Times, valedictory services have been scheduled for both leaders. Bishop Aremu's farewell service will be held at LFC, Basharun in Ibadan, October 15th, while Bishop Abioye's service is scheduled for October 18th in Durumi, Abuja. Under the new policy, only the church's founder, Bishop David Oyedepo, will be permitted to serve beyond the revised age limit. Future leaders will be restricted to 1 or 2 terms of 7 years each, subjected to the approval from the Board of Trustees. Stay informed on further updates on NaijaNews TV.